This is a pixel art display, the Divoom Pixoo-64, a popular smart, Wi-Fi-enabled information panel. This 10.3-inch pixel art display allows you to use existing choices from a huge gallery or create your own. The Divoom Pixoo-64 is primarily a decorative pixel art display that brings a retro, artistic flair to any space. Its 64 by 64 resolution, translating to 4,096 individual LEDs, allows for detailed pixel art animations, text, and data displays. It connects to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and is controlled through the comprehensive Divoom app. In this video, let's unbox the Divoom Pixoo-64, use the app, set up the pixel art display, and explore the various options and customizations that you could possibly use. Now let's get into the video. Divoom Pixoo-64 is available to purchase online. I've included the link in the description and comment section if you need to purchase one. The parcel has arrived, and the box itself has pixel art designs printed on it. This is the actual shrink-wrapped product box. Divoom is the brand Pixoo-64, a pixel art cloud frame. At the bottom are some example uses for this pixel art display panel. At the back are more information in various languages. Let's open the box. These are everything provided in the box. The Pixoo-64 Smart Display, a 2 meters long USB-C charging cable, mounting screws, and a user manual. The Pixoo-64 looks like a square photo frame with thick black borders. It has 64 by 64 resolution, translating to 4,096 individual LEDs. At the bottom frame, these are the microphone holes. At the top, there is a mounting hole. And at the bottom, there are 2 mounting holes. You can also use the provided screws if you plan to hang the display. On one side, there are buttons for power and the display functions. At the back, there is a wall mount hole. These 2 tiny lines here are the buzzer holes. And hidden here is the USB-C power port. There is also a groove to run the power cable. There is a mounting stand in its storage tray. To use it, remove the stand and connect it to the mounting stand hole. The included user manual comes in various languages. Each language only has 3 pages of important information. To learn more about Pixoo-64, continue watching this video. Let's set up the Divoom Pixoo-64. Connect and turn on power, using the included USB-C power cable, and make sure the USB power adapter has a 5-volt 2-ampere power output. In the Play Store, search and install the Divoom Pixel Art Editor app. Then, launch the Divoom app. To configure the pixel art display, press the plus icon at the top left. Then, select Wi-Fi, and then confirm to switch when prompted. Device list is shown here, select Pixoo-64. As this is the first time, login is required to use the Divoom app. You can register a new account using email, or log in using Facebook or Twitter. If you choose the email registration, fill up the details and register an account. Now, log in with the newly registered account. The Divoom app has a Kids Mode page. I don't want to restrict any functions, so press the OK button. Once signed in, select Pixoo-64. Here is a reminder to use a 5-volt 2-ampere rated USB power adapter. Tap Next to continue. With the Pixoo-64 showing Waiting to configure, tap Start Pairing Network button in the app. Confirm, and then allow location access. This device only works with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the password and tap Next. The device pairing connection process is now in progress. If the pairing process gets stuck at 80%, you may need to try the steps mentioned in the app. The connection process took less than a minute. Once connected, the app is now prompting to do a firmware update. Tap the Update button to perform the firmware update. Follow the screen instructions. The app now shows a share code that allows another person to connect to your device. Also, the Pixoo-64 is now showing network connected status. The Divoom Pixoo-64 is now ready to use, and let's test this pixel art display. This is a customizable pixel display, and the Divoom app facilitates that. I'm going to show you some examples of the custom pixel art display. The Divoom app provides a lot of control and options to customize the pixel art display. At the bottom is the navigation tab, and on the first tab are all the device functions listed. This is the brightness control, which instantly adjusts according to your selection. Most device functions are listed here, but if you need more, click on this More button. On this page, you have functions grouped into categories such as pixel art, audio, planner, and miscellaneous functions. The second tab is called My Clocks. This is where all the previously used pixel art's displays are located. This makes it easy to reselect a previously used pixel art. You can also easily remove the ones you don't need by clicking the Edit button. The third tab is where you will find a gallery of pixel art collections made by other users. Here you can easily select the ones you want and load into your Pixoo-64. The fourth tab has a chat function where you can communicate with other users of the Divoom app. The fifth tab is the user profile page. If you would like to design your own pixel art, click on this Design button. Create a new art, and here you have all the tools to design your own pixel art for the display. I'm just going to do some random drawings to see how it works. As you can see here, as I draw on the app, it is quickly updating the Pixoo-64 display. For people with artistic skills, this is a great way to show their art. There are color selection wheel and some preset colors. And here are all the tools to assist you in designing your custom art. Using the same design tools, you can also create pixel art animation. This is done by using Layers function in the design page. There is also an alarm function where you can set multiple alarms. Each alarm can have its own pixel image or animation display. When the alarm time comes, the selected image or animation is displayed. There is also a stopwatch function. Once you click Start, the stopwatch timer is displayed on the pixel art display. There are buttons for stop and reset. Next is the countdown timer feature. Tap the Set Time button to set the duration. Confirm, and then the countdown starts on the pixel display. There is a stop button, or you can wait for the countdown to end. The noise meter function listens to surrounding sound and displays the noise level on the pixel screen. That is an interesting feature. Under the My Clocks tab, to add more pixel display options, tap on the plus button. The gallery is grouped into pixel art, normal, social, financial, nature and weather, holidays, tools, sport, game, smart hardware, custom and plan. There are actually so many presets to choose from. Currently on the pixel display, it is displaying my YouTube channel views and subscribers. Under social, there are more display options to choose from, such as X, TikTok, Twitch, Facebook, Bilibili, Douyu, Pinterest, Reddit, Tumblr, and more. If you are interested in finance, there is pixel display information for stocks, Bitcoin, currency exchange rate, and more. These options display date, time, and weather information on Pixoo-64. If you are into sports, there are a few information board displays here. For gamers, you can display game statistics on the pixel display screen. These display clocks show your health tracker information or PC monitoring. With a lot more functions and display options, the Pixoo-64 has kept me busy for some time. In conclusion, the Divoom Pixoo-64 is a highly engaging and visually appealing pixel art display with impressive smart features. It shines for its customization capabilities and the vibrant community content. If you're a pixel art enthusiast, streamer, gamer, or just someone looking for a unique and dynamic decorative piece, the Pixoo-64 offers a lot of value and potential, especially as Divoom continues to develop its software. That's all for this pixel art display review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.